Good morning student. Today we are going to start our unit 2 second lesson, a true story of sea turtles. This lesson is written by Bhau Kadare. Bhau Kadare is a Nisarga Mitra. He is an ardent lover of animals, means he loves animals very much, and has protected several species that most Indians even never heard of. He he has protected several species of animals that most Indians even never heard of. The lesson, a true story of sea turtles, is about how Bhau, the narrator of our lesson, Bhau Kadare, how he and his volunteers save the species of turtles, how they save the species of turtle. Through this lesson, we get the total information about the species of turtles and how these species of turtles are saved by Bhau Kadare and his volunteers. Bhau Kadare is an ardent lover of animals and has protected several species that most Indians ever never heard of. Now we are going to start our lesson. We were surveying the white-billed sea eagles in the summer that year. The narrator means the writer Bhau Kadare and some volunteers, some colleagues were surveying the white-billed sea eagles in the summer season. Means it was a summer season. As we roamed the coast, one of the volunteers in our team saw some shallow pits with white eggshells nearby. And when they were roaming around the coast, as they roamed the coast, one of their volunteers of their team saw some shallow pits. Pits means some deep hole. One of the volunteers saw some deep holes and that deep holes with egg-shelled nearby. Around that deep holes, he found some egg-shelled, white egg-shelled. Inquiries with the villagers revealed that they were turtle eggs, and Bhau Kadare and his team did not know anything about the shell, about the eggs shell. So they inquired the villagers, and when they inquired the villagers told them that they were turtle eggs. This came as a surprise. When Bhau Kadare and his team heard this, they became very surprised. We had never come across turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of Konkan in all these years. They surprised because they visited Konkan beach many times throughout the year, many times, but they never came across such incident. Means they never saw turtle eggs when before this visit they visited the Konkan beach. So they were very surprised. We decided to study this unusual occurrence further, and when they come to know that the eggshells are of turtles, they decided to study this unusual occurrence. They decided to study further about the eggs of turtles. We learned that the beach where we had found the eggshells had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month. And then they came to know, and then they learned that the beach where they had found the eggshells of turtle, that beach was sealed. That beach had been sealed for the public near about 1 month after people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area. The beach has been sealed for visiting public, local people, because sometimes before smuggling of silver bricks were caught in that area. Silver Smuggling of silver bricks were caught in that area, and so that area was sealed for visiting common people. But what we learned further shocked us to the core. But when they heard another thing, then they became very shocked. They were shuttled. Turtles nest along the entire coastline of our state. Turtles nest along the entire coastal line of our state. There are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. Then they come to know that the turtle's eggs are along the coastline of our state. Means every coastal line of our state have turtle's nest. And the local people of that area, some villagers, some local people of that area, they keep combing the beach. Means they keep searching the beach. They always search the beach in the early hours of the morning. Means early in the morning throughout the year. Some people who lives in that area, in that coastal area, early in the morning search the beach, search the area where the turtle's eggs they found throughout the year. When the female turtle comes on shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. The local people had so much information about the turtle, about the female turtle, about the turtle's eggs, and they know that the female turtle comes on the shore to nest. The female turtle comes on the shore to nest, to lay eggs. She came to the nest to lay eggs. She leaves behind a trail. She leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. And when she came to the shore, when she came to the nest, she left behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. Just like a track of wheels on the sand. The egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. And the eggs hunter follow this trail right up to the nest. They follow this trail left, which the female turtle left behind, and up to the nest they follow this, and which is about half a meter deep. The nest of the turtle is near about half meter deep. We will learn the next part of our lesson in our next period. Now we are going to see this part on the digital board.
Two, a true story of sea turtles. Hey, meet my new pet, Tattu. Isn't he adorable? Tattu reminds me of the lesson I learnt during my school days, a true story of sea turtles written by Bhau Kandare of an NGO, Sayadri Nisarg Mitra. Bhau Kandare is an ardent lover of animals and has protected several species that most Indians have never even heard of. The lesson, A True Story of Sea Turtles, is about how the author, Bhau Kandare, along with his volunteers, have saved the sea turtles by involving the villagers in their protection campaign. Would you like to listen to this story? Yes, then come on, let me tell you the story. It was summertime, and the writer, Bhau Kandare, along with his team, was surveying the white-bellied sea eagles on the Konkan beaches. One of his team members found some eggshells in the shallow pits of sand. On inquiring with the villagers, they came to know that they were turtle eggs. Bhau Katdare and his team were quite surprised, as all those years they didn't find any such turtle nest on the Konkan beaches, and this seemed to be an unusual occurrence to them. Further, they also learned that the beach was sealed for a month for the public due to some illegal smuggling of silver bricks that had taken place. But what they learned further shocked them to the core, meaning they were shattered. Along the entire coastline of Maharashtra, the villagers often, during the early hours of the morning, keep combing, meaning searching the beach, and following the trail, meaning the footsteps of the female turtles who come on the shore to nest and lay eggs. As soon as the female turtle lays eggs, she is caught, killed, and then eaten by the villagers. The eggs laid are nearly